PC tips you should know. When you upgrade your PC to Windows 11, or accidentally upgrade to Windows 11, but you're not happy with it, why not revert it back to Windows 10? To do that, right-click Windows logo and click Settings. On the left panel, click Windows Update. Now click Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Recovery. Under Recovery Options, you will see the Go Back section. Click on Go Back. Now Go Back to Windows 10 screen should appear. Under Why are you going back? Select a reason and click Next. In Next screen, you can select Check for Updates or click No Thanks. What you need to know, make sure you go through this information completely. When you're ready, click Next. As per the next screen, make sure you remember Windows 10 password so that you don't get locked out. Click Next to proceed. Finally, click on Go Back to Windows 10. Then your system will now restart. After restart, you'll see Attempting to Recover Installation. Then in next few moments, you should be able to log into your Windows 10. Hit subscribe for more PC tips and tricks.